In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Gmail account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to expect, and how to confirm the deletion safely and confidently. First, sign in to the specific Gmail account you want to delete. This is important if you manage multiple accounts. Take a moment to double check you're in the right inbox and consider using a private browser window to avoid switching to the wrong profile. Next, open your Google account settings. In the upper right corner of Gmail, click your profile image. From the menu that appears, select Manage Your Google Account. This takes you to the central dashboard where all your account-wide settings live, not just Gmail. Now go to the Data and Privacy section. On the left-hand menu, click Data and Privacy, and the page will load your privacy tools, data controls, and download options. This is where Google groups features that affect your personal data and how it's used. Scroll down until you find the section labeled More Options. Under that, click Delete Your Google Account. It's important to note that deleting your Google account also deletes your Gmail account, along with other connected Google services. If your goal is only to stop using Gmail while keeping your broader Google identity, you would need a different process. Today we're covering full account deletion. Before you proceed, review the important information Google presents. You'll have the option to download your data, often referred to as takeout, so you can save emails, contacts, drive files, and more before anything is removed. Google will also show you exactly what will be deleted, like your Gmail messages, any YouTube channels or content tied to the account, your contacts, and other services linked to your Google account. You may also see notices about pending financial transactions, such as subscriptions or purchases, which you'll still be responsible for. This is a good time to update any external services that use this email as a login or recovery address, and to transfer important files or ownership of shared documents if needed. When you're ready, confirm the deletion. You'll be asked to check the box acknowledging that you want to permanently delete your Google account, and then click Delete Account. You may be prompted to re-enter your password for security. Once confirmed, the deletion process begins. Your Gmail account and your entire Google account will be removed along with the associated services. There is a short recovery window after deletion during which you might be able to restore the account. After that period, recovery is no longer possible and the removal is permanent. And that's it. That's how you delete a Gmail account. Proceed carefully, back up anything important, and make sure you're ready before you confirm.